Alright, so this problem says find the x and y intercepts, then graph each equation. So here we are given the equation 4x minus 2y equals 20. So that is in standard form. That is standard form of a linear equation. To find the x-intercept, you set y equal to 0 and you solve for x. Because remember, for every single x-intercept, so for every point on the x-axis, the y value is 0. So we have our equation 4x minus 2y equals 20. We are going to substitute 0 in for y. So everywhere you see a y, you're going to replace it with a 0. So now we have 4x minus 2y equals 20. Oops, sorry, 4x minus 2 times 0 equals 20. We know that anything times 0 is 0, so 4x is equal to 20. To get x by itself, we want to do the opposite of multiplying by 4. So we're going to divide by 4 on both sides, and we get that x is equal to 5. Which means the x-intercept is the ordered pair 5, 0. So now we're going to actually plot that point on our graph. So we're going to go to the origin, that's where you start. We're going to go to the right 5 and then up 0 and put our point. That is our x-intercept. Now to find the y-intercept, we set x equal to 0 and we solve for y. So that means in the equation 4x minus 2y equals 20, everywhere we see an x, we're going to replace it with a 0. Because the x value for every single y-intercept is 0. Now we know that 4 times 0 is just 0, so we get negative 2y equals 20. We're going to divide both sides by 2, and we're going to get y equals negative 10. Remember, we want to write the y-intercept as an ordered pair. So the x value for every y-intercept is 0. That's why we substituted 0 into our equation. And here our y value is negative 10. So we have the ordered pair 0, negative 10. And we're going to take that and plot it on our graph. Now to graph this equation, all we need to do is draw a line that connects both of the points. So a line connecting the x-intercept and the y-intercept. Remember, it should have arrows on both ends because it's going to keep going forever in both directions.